Hello guys, we are back again with another episode of how to update all your apps with just a click using command prompt. So let's get started. So you go to your search, you type in CMD, you open or run as administrator, and you type in Winget upgrade, and you run. Wait small for it to load. Loading, waiting to be loading. Yeah, that's it. Load. See it loading. Yeah, see. Do you agree to all the source agreements? As far as new as you are doing it, you have to press yes. Continue. So why press? So it will show you all of the list of apps on your PC and their versions available anywhere. Okay, so after that you type in Winget upgrade hyphen all. So wait for that one to be loading. Yeah, that so you wait for it. Waiting till, but not all apps maybe to waiting to see the packages will be finishing. So you see it's downloading. So let's wait. Yeah, that's it. So we are done. This is how to update all your files using CMD. Don't forget